And now we're gonna do 1 egg.
1 egg. Can I crack the egg, Daddy?
Yes, you can crack the egg, even though I'm probably gonna regret that. Let's see how you crack an egg on the edge of the bowl.
Don't get it in the mouth.
You ready?
Hi, Daddy.
We're gonna go home and bake Mama her birthday cake,
Yeah.
right?
When we get home to eat it up?
Well, we'll eat it when Mama comes home, okay?
Yeah.
After we have dinner.
Yeah, we have to cook it now, right?
Yep, we gotta bake it now so it's ready before Mama gets home.
Yeah. And she doesn't know what the cake is, right?
Right? It's gonna be a surprise.
Yeah, just for Mommy and the Jelly Bunny and
Egg. In medium bowls. Okay. Place water, oil. Okay, how much water?
2 cups of water.
A 1/4 cup of water. 1/4 cup.
The candles. Can we have pink, blue, and red, and yellow, and green, Daddy?
We can have all of them. 1/4 cup of water. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Vegetable. It's top again. Here,
Okay.
it's on top of it.
And that's gonna be 1/3 cup,
Vegetable oil.
I think, right? There it is.
Mhm. Yes. 1.
Okay. We're gonna put that in here. Ready? Take it. And put it in. Good job. Bake. And
Okay.
325. Start.
1 for the oil.
For the Oreo?
Oil. I said
Oil.
1 fish of oil.
Okay. Can
And
you put the
now-
water in?
Yes. Whoa, oil in there. Ooh.
Yeah, that's what happens. Oil and water don't mix. Let's put it on video here. Show everybody what happens with oil and water. You see that?
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Can we make more oil, Daddy? Can we do more oil?
Nope, that's all we need. And now we're gonna do 1 egg.
1 egg. Can I crack the egg, Daddy?
Yes, you can crack the egg, even though I'm probably gonna regret that. Let's see how you crack an egg on the edge of the bowl.
Ah!
Good job.
You see, I did good.
Okay.
Cracking up the egg. Can I put it in here now? And mix it. You have to mix it now?
Wait.
This isn't with cream.
Why don't you put the egg in the bowl?
I'm being careful. Oh, that's sticky.
Mm-hmm.
This is sticky. Whoa. Can I stir it now?
No. Now we have to get the whisk.
What's that? It's a whisk.
This right here.
It's a mixer.
Can you say whisk?
Whisk.
Very good.
I'm whisky.
Okay, stir it up.
I'm in good as I can.
And while you're stirring, I'm gonna add some brownie mix.
Brownie mix.
Brownie mix.
Brownie mix. Okay. And I'm doing my egg.
Ready?
Yep.
Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir. All day long. Stir, stir, stir while I sing this song.
Stir, Mommy.
Keep
Ooh,
stirring.
browns.
Keep stirring.
Brownie.
Oh, whoops.
Well, that's okay, right?
Wait, let me see.
Can I taste? Can I
No,
taste
you
it?
can't taste it. Because you're going
Ooh.
to get sick.
It's making brownies. The brownies.
Okay, here. Keep stirring. Try not to make too much of a mess.
Ah. Big brownie. Ah. It's sticky. Stick. Brownie or brownie. That's all sticky. Right? Come, brownie, we watch it. The brown looks yummy.
Mm-hmm. Chocolate brownies are Mama's favorite, so we're making a brownie cake.
Brownie cake. I want to eat those brownies up.
I'm sure you do.
Yum browns. It makes all the brown up. The stickiness, right?
You sure talk a lot.
It's sticky, Daddy. Sure, that's sticky. Ooh, that's sticky too. This is smooth. Can I
No.
do? No. This looks yum.
Here's what we're going to do. We need scissors.
Scissors.
And we're going to flip this over.
Put that over.
Piece of this paper. There's a special paper that we can use in the oven.
Oh,
We're just marking it so we know where to cut.
good to cut.
And we're going to cut out this circle here.
I thought this was for you, Daddy.
Good job, thank you. Alright, now we're going to put this inside here. Okay, you see? And that's going to make it so the brownie doesn't stick to the bottom.
Yep, it's the
Okay.
stickiest brownies.
So now we're going to scoop this out. You want to do it?
Yes.
Just scoop it out.
There we go. Who's going to lick this?
Here, let me help.
The brownie bowie. Ah, I'm strong.
I know, you're very strong.
Taste that swippy spicy stick. I want you to eat it, Daddy.
You want me to eat it?
I mean, with that.
Stop. I want to eat it too, but
You have to lick it.
it's not good because it can make you sick.
Can?
Mm-hmm. But it's not baked yet.
It's not.
Yeah, remember? Remember, Santa doesn't bring any presents if you eat raw cookies. Same applies to raw brownies.
Don't put the whipped cream on, Daddy.
No, that's not for now. We have to bake it first.
Okay, I'll put the whipped cream instead, okay? Okay, Daddy? And then the cake.
Very nice.
The red.
Okay. Oven's ready.
Yeah, we put it down there.
Okay. Stand up.
Stand up.
Mm-hmm. Now we're going to put this right in here. It's very hot, okay? So I'm going to put it in. Then we're going to close the door. Close it. Close it. Close it. Good. Ready?
Yummy.
The brownie cake.
Brownie cake. Yummy. Yummy. That hurts me, but I know.
Well, it won't hurt you if you don't touch it. Right?
Yep.
Yep. What do you got there? Let me see that. That's garbage.
Trash. Can't see this is open.
You can put this in the trash too.
That's just do it.
Can I write happy birthday on it first?
Yes, sure. What's that? Happy birthday, Mommy.
And then I'll let you decorate. And then we'll put candles and another special surprise.
It's for Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
On the big brownie cake.
Red brownie cake. Because we did it in the sun and we did
Happy
birthday. Just for me, right?
B for Bree.
Yeah, I for me. I for me, right?
No, I for you.
Father, I am kissing my last name.
Oh, but I spell it right. That would be embarrassing.
Well, the cake is delicious. I like to eat it. Can I touch the cake?
No.
Daddy? Why? Do I have to wash my hands?
Happy birthday, Mommy. Okay, you want to draw some decorations over here? Don't mess up the happy birthday, Mommy.
I make dots for happy birthday now. Dots. Ooh,
Dots?
Strawberries.
Maybe you can draw a smiley face or something for Mama?
Yes.
Or write your name or something. I don't know. I got some good strawberries here. No licking. Did you lick that?
It's gone.
Oh, Bree.
I made it. My face is all covered up.
That's all you're making?
Yeah. I can go back to my dots, right?
Sure.
Just for Mommy's birthday. Oh no. I did it, Daddy. Well done. It's organs. Can I have organs?
Let's put our strawberries on.
Oh,
Like this.
can I get one?
This. See? And now you can eat the rest. You wanna eat that? Well,
Mmm.
hey, no snot on the cake, please.
Oh, delicious. I can. Daddy, I need this.
Wait,
I need for me.
not here. You get down first, okay?
I want one for.
Here. Come over here. Not near the cake.
It's a birthday cake.
Very nice singing, Bree.
And I am a birthday at home. 'Cause I want a cake. I just want to eat after breakfast. And eat all gone. So no one can have it. Nothing. Oh, with Mommy and Daddy and me. I want things to Mommy and Amanda too.
Oh, you know what we forgot? We forgot candles.
Candles.
Yeah? We have to count out how many candles. How old is Mama gonna be?
6,
34.
34.
We have to count out 34 candles, right?
Yep. I'm ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. $31, $32, $33, 33 and 34.
Mommy! Can them in? Happy?
Only if you can. Wait, slow down. You have to put them straight in like this, okay?
Ah!
I'm gonna do it, okay?
I didn't mean it to do that.
I know,
Daddy.
sweetheart. I know, but you got little tiny fingers and it's hard for you to do things like that.
I want to do it myself when I get big.
When you get big, you will. Don't worry.
But so huge. How about right
Wait.
there, guys?
We got a lot of candles to do.
What? Stop. In my way. Can you put the fire on and say, Happy birthday to Mommy?
Yes, when Mama gets home, okay?
Okay?
That's a lot of candles.
Yeah. She is so cute. She see the oven, right?
What?
She can see the oven now, right? Just with you.
Yes, honey, she can see the oven now. I think she could see the oven for a while now.
Yay! This was my day of Trindos.
How pretty. Okay, how about you get your face away from that, okay?
How about blue
Come on down.
lights on it, Dad?
No, that's enough, honey. We don't have any more room for anything else. So after dinner, when Mama comes home after dinner, we'll have a cake, okay? But shh, don't tell Mama. It's a surprise, okay? Okay? It's a surprise.
Oh my God! Look at all those candles! I'm not old. It looks like it's caught on fire.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Can I blow it
Yes.
now? Yeah? You want to help me?
Yeah.
Did you make a wish?
I tried those. For
You didn't tell me what to wish for. This is beautiful, guys. This is right up my alley.
It's a brownie cake.
It's a brownie cake. I love it.